Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to fix a Mac stuck in voiceover mode and talking. If your Mac suddenly starts speaking everything on the screen, it's likely that VoiceOver, Apple's built-in screen reader, has been turned on accidentally. While this feature is extremely useful for users with visual impairments, it can be confusing and disruptive if enabled unintentionally. The good news is that turning it off and stopping your Mac from talking is quick and easy. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. The easiest and fastest solution is to press the keyboard shortcut Command plus F5. Note that Command plus F5 is the fastest way to toggle VoiceOver off on nearly every Mac, so make sure to give this important shortcut a try whenever you are faced with this annoying problem. Some Macs may require you to press the function key as well, meaning the keyboard shortcut would be Fn plus Command plus F5. Another option is to use the system settings to disable VoiceOver completely on the Mac. You might want to do this if the shortcut doesn't work or you want to confirm the feature is disabled completely. So just head over to the System Settings app on your Mac, and then you have to navigate to Accessibility section and choose VoiceOver. After that, you have to disable the toggle located next to VoiceOver, and then you have to restart your Mac, and that's about it. With these simple steps, you can quickly disable VoiceOver on your Mac and get your device back to normal. Remember, you can always enable it again later if you need accessibility support. Hopefully, this guide has helped you stop your Mac from talking unexpectedly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.